Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another install video with Vivi baby hair. So they sent me a 20-inch Brazilian curly hair, and they also sent me a wig cap, which was definitely not my color, and they sent me this little card right here that comes with the purchase, I guess. So I wanted to show you guys how the wig looks, and I like the wig when it comes to texture wise, but when it comes to lace wise, I didn't really like it. I felt like the lace was really thick, and it was like giving me very much white vibes, giving me very much just thick lace. But it did come with a adjustable strap that was like already installed into the wig, so I really messed with that. But yeah guys, keep watching. We're about to pluck, bleach, and do all that. So this is what I use. This is the developer I use and the bleach I use. I'm also going to be using some Got To Be spray to spray on the hairline of the closure to basically push all the hair back to make sure it does not get bleached in the process. So since it's a closure, I'm only going to be using like 1 scoop of the bleach, and then I'm going to be slowly adding in the developer as I go to make sure I get the consistency that I would like. So I should be using gloves. I know, didn't do it, don't have time. Fuck it. Hey guys, so I'm using the Got To Be spray, and I'm basically brushing the hair back so it's not in the way of me bleaching the knots. After I put the bleach on it and press down on the lace slightly, this is how it should look at the end, okay? I left it on there for about 15 minutes, being that I used 40 volume developer, and it looked like this at the end of it, okay? So I felt like this was perfect for me, so I washed it out, and it was a little brassy, so I did use purple shampoo, and I left it on there for like just a couple minutes, maybe 1 or 2. And I also used shampoo and conditioner to wash out the hair because it did have a little scent to it. All right guys, so this is how it looked after I washed the hair out. And yeah, I bleached the knots really good. Like, I actually did really good on this. This is how it looked when I started plucking. I plucked one side to show you guys the difference between the unplugged side and the plucked side. I'm not the best at plucking, but I am getting better. So if you guys want a video on how I personally pluck my wigs, comment down below and I'll get y'all that pronto, okay? Alright guys, so this was the finished look of the whole wig after I customized it, and I loved it and it looked mad good, and that's just on that. So the only thing I had to do was pluck the part out so it looks better, and right here I actually had to tint the lace, and I couldn't find my lace tint, so I just used makeup, and I also used makeup on the wig cap. I'm basically about to be installing the wig regular, so I'm not going to be doing a bunch of talking for this part of the video. So I hope you guys enjoy and watch me slay this wig. Oh yeah, just to let y'all know, in this video I'm going to be talking to somebody on the side like I am right now, and I was talking to my best friend Christina, so excuse that, okay? My bad. Conversation was too good to stop. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. This is how the wig came out, and it looked really good, and my skin looked better with it, and that's just on that. Make sure you guys check out the company down below in the description box. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms, and until next time, Desi out.
Way too motherfucking wavy. I can't imagine myself being basic. I feel like the man when I'm thumbing through faces. Hide all this pain in this balloon.